Okay guys, so I work on this Dodge Ram 2005. It's not starting, so we're scanning it, see what's going on. Yeah guys, this is what I just found. Yo, I never see so much oil leaking in a plug before. Never ever. Whoa, there is no way this would start. Whoa. Okay guys, so we're just gonna get some new spark plugs, new ignition coils for this Dodge Ram guys. So I will do a follow up on it whenever time I replace all that. Drop the video and see if it's running good and all that. So I meant to say we're gonna replace the valve cover gasket, ignition coils and spark plug, and then we're gonna try fire it up and see what happens. Then we take it from there, you know what I mean? But that's the first step. We're gonna make sure we replace the valve cover gasket. I think the inside gasket is leaking, not the outside one.